And the next one on the bench today is this original Luton Bowman PW202. This one's the overtype, and arguably it's the rarest one. It's the one that's hardest to get a hold of, so they say. But I have to say I got this from eBay and a tip off from my mate MM, and I got it as I buy it now at a great little price. So let's see what happens when we try and fire this one up. And there it goes, running so smoothly. Lovely run of this. Just smoothly, well balanced. Lovely rod. Of course, not to be confused with the Bowmans, like the M101 and such, because they're two different companies altogether. And this is, of course, Luton Bowman. As I say, this one's completely original, just the way I got it, and it runs a treat. So there we are, my Luton Bowman overtype, all for the STWWW. I hope you enjoyed it once again, and I'll see you on the tables. Bye now.